I'm Helga from Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking. Today is another Cast Iron Wednesday, and it's a little something different today. Today I'm going to do an eye of round roast in the my Lodge Dutch oven, and I think I'm going to be doing it a way that might be a little different than you're used to for some of you. Cast Iron Wednesday was started by Native Tears. Always check out her playlist and her channel. I have that in the description below. So let's talk about this eye of round roast that I have. Eye of round roast, eye of bottom round and top round, with or without the round bone, is all from the rear leg of the cow. That's why it's called the round. And it may include the knuckle, which is the sirloin tip, depending on how the round is separated from the loin. It's extremely lean, and while it looks like the backstrap or tenderloin, it's much tougher because it is so lean. It's often packaged as roasts or steaks, and it can be also fabricated into stew meat. A lot of times, you know, you see those stew meat cubes at the grocery market. It's those, or cube steaks often are made out of the eye of round or top round roasts. So it's a challenge to get this cut nice and tender, but this is the way we're going to do it. It is so simple. This is 5 minutes of prep, and then you're going to forget about it for a couple hours. So I'll show you what we're going to do. Round roast I have here is about 2.5 pounds. And the first thing you're going to do is preheat your oven to 500 degrees, which is very, very hot. This is why it's great to make it this time of the year, because it's really cold out. It was 0 out this morning, plus the wind was going, so that has a wind chill factor besides. You're going to season the roast just with salt or pepper. I'm using my Montreal, fresh ground Montreal blend because that's what I like. And then I am going to place the roast that side up in my Dutch. Now the Dutch hasn't been preheated. That's going to go in our preheated oven. Leave the lid off. No fat, no nothing. We're just going to put it in the hot oven like this. As soon as we put it in, I'm going to reduce the temperature to 475, and we're going to leave it in for 7 minutes per pound. This is a 2.5 pound roast, so I'm going to leave it in for 18 minutes, and then you're going to turn the oven off and leave it in there. You're going to do nothing. That also means you're not opening the oven door. No opening the oven door. You're going to leave it in there for 2.5 hours. So I'm going to stick her in, cut my temperature back, and roast it there for 18 minutes, and then turn my oven off and let it sit there in the oven for 2.5 hours. Okay, now after I turned off the heat and it went 2.5 hours, here it is. We're going to let it rest for 20 minutes, and well, then you know what comes next. Okay, it's out of the oven. It rested for the 20 minutes, and now we're gonna work on carving it. You want to slice this thinly, easy for me to say. And you can see what this looks like. Oh my, boy, doesn't that beautiful. There you go. Okay guys, you know what time it is. It's taste test time. Here it is on the plate. Looks pretty darn good. And we're going to give her a try. It's not as tender as a really tender piece of meat is, but it's not bad. And maybe we'll do a little bit longer next one. I like the color, I like the flavor. It's still tender enough to cut pretty easily and chew. Really good flavor though, especially in a cast iron. So I paired it up with some mashed potatoes and some lima beans, and that's dinner. So there's a way for you to do the tougher cuts of meat in your Dutch oven, and that's my eye of round roast in Dutch oven for a cast iron Wednesday. Give it a shot. If you liked what you saw, like, subscribe, and join me next time here in Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking.